Yo, what is going on? So this is how to buy Snapchat Premium using Fampay. So the first step is to ensure you have Fampay account, of course. After that, you're gonna add funds to your Fampay account using either UPI, debit cards, or cash deposits. Then you're gonna verify your Fampay Ultra membership. Fampay offers different premium tiers, including Fampay Ultra. Ensure you have an active Ultra membership, which provides access to additional features and benefits. Access the Snapchat Premium Store. So open the Snapchat app and navigate to the Premium Store. You can find it by tapping on the profile icon and then selecting Premium from the menu. Then you're gonna choose your desired premium subscription. After that, you're gonna use Fampay as your payment method. When you prompted the payment, select Fampay as your payment option. You may need to log in to your Fampay account and authorize the transaction. Then you're gonna complete the purchase. Once you've confirmed the payment details, the transaction will be processed and you'll receive access to Snapchat Premium features, and that is it.